Hello everybody, I wanted to redo the video because last one I did was like 5 minutes long. Anyways, let's pretend we're starting from now. Hello. I have recently transformed a vintage alarm clock that I've had since I was a kid into a synth, a little synthesizer. Anyways, I've got a 1/4-inch jack rammed up in his back. And it has a speaker, but the speaker is way too loud. I want to piss the roommate off. I added volume control and this awesome switch. And the button is up against the breadboard inside there to like activate all this, but it's not. I didn't want to like mount it. I didn't really have the time. This was a frustrating project. So I drilled a hole and just poke in there with something, and it's pretty awesome. It's like a. Anyways, enjoy. Cool. Anyways, folks, have a happy Easter. Enjoy. Do whatever you gotta do. I'm gonna go over here and do whatever I gotta do. Stay tuned for more broken toys.